Hello guys, welcome back. You're in the kitchen with Tracy. I am making a strawberry topping for funnel cakes. You can also have it for ice cream and any other dessert that you require strawberries for. So let's get started. In this little ramekin, I have 2 teaspoons of water. That I did cold water, and 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then you're going to add just a dash of salt. Stir that up. That's going to be the thickening agent for our strawberry sauce. And for our strawberries, you're going to take about 6 strawberries, and this is just for 1 funnel cake, so I'm going to put the ingredients and the amounts down below for like 1 pint of strawberries if you're making a big batch of strawberry sauce. But this is just for 1 funnel cake, so this is just going to be for 6 strawberries. So you're going to go ahead and core the strawberries. I like to stick the knife in at an angle, a sharp knife. Stick it in at an angle, and you just take it around the top of the strawberries, and it comes out really easily like that. And you're going to do that for all the strawberries. What you're going to do next is cut the strawberries like this. I like to make 2 cuts going down, and then I turn the strawberry and I make 2 more cuts. Now if you would like them in slices, that is fine also. Go ahead and do 2 slices down like that. That way you get the strawberries in this pretty little shape like this. Or you can do 2 cuts here, turn it sideways, and do 1 cut, and you get chunks. So any way you prefer is fine. Alright guys, and in this small saucepan you're going to add the strawberries, and you're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm going to give you a healthy version for this next step. This is not what we're going to do right now, but if you want to make this a little healthier, use honey. Regular honey, and you put it in instead of the sugar. 2 tablespoons of honey, but that's not what we're doing right now. We're making the regular version. So you're just going to stir this. Here you see I have brought it up to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and cover the pan or the saucepan, and I am going to turn it down to a simmer. And now I'm just going to let it simmer for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Okay, it has reduced just a little. And you know that cornstarch, water, and salt slurry that we made. I'm going to go ahead and add that. And that's going to help to thicken it up. And I turn the heat all the way off right now. I'm going to go ahead and stir that. And add a splash, just a splash, not barely 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to stir that in and let that simmer. Now the heat is off, but it's just going to stay sitting. I'll say that. Stay sitting for 2 minutes. So you're going to go ahead and remove it from the heat and let it sit for 2.5 to 5 minutes. And look at this, guys. This is beautiful. This is the strawberry sauce. And what you want to do, that some other people don't do, and you don't have to do this, but I like to go ahead and stir in some fresh strawberries, and then that makes the sauce even brighter, and you can taste the real strawberries even better when they're more fresh. So you have some cooked strawberries that make the sauce, plus the fresh strawberries that were not, And this sauce is going to flavor them and everything and get it tasting all good and scrumptious. There you go.